Hi. So, after my last video, when I showed you how I pull the car back into the garage with the block and tackle, which I'm finding a bit tedious, I've decided to make a dolly for the shell. Now that the engine's out, it should be okay. What I'm doing is getting this pallet and attaching these wheels to it. Each one's rated 180 kilos, so they should be okay. Pallet, yeah, if it's the car should weigh about 600 now maximum. So yeah, let's see how it goes. There we go, all done. Let's have a look. Only thing now is get it under the car. At least it has brakes on. There we go, not going anywhere. Lovely. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, and I'll post another video once it's on the car or under the car, and we'll see if it survives.